Hello everybody! If you want to see all the stories' content in full, please go to www.steveuk.blog. Thank you. Short Story 796, The Unexpected Customer. Intermediate. Maya worked in a small repair shop on the edge of a busy seaside town. Most days were simple. People brought in broken phones, cracked screens, or tablets that refused to switch on. Maya enjoyed the routine. She liked solving problems quietly, one device at a time. One windy afternoon, the door opened and a man stepped inside. He wore a bright orange jacket and carried a metal case under his arm. He looked around the shop as if he was checking every detail. "Can I help you?" Maya asked. "I hope so," he said. "I need this fixed today." He placed the metal case on the counter and opened it carefully. Inside was a small drone with one broken propeller and a cracked camera lens. It looked more advanced than anything Maya had repaired before. "This is quite unusual," she said. "What happened to it?" The man hesitated. "It had a difficult landing?" Maya smiled. "I can see that. I will do my best." She took the drone to her workbench. As she examined it, she noticed a tiny logo on the side. It belonged to a well-known environmental research group. She felt a spark of curiosity. The man waited near the counter, checking his watch every few minutes. He seemed nervous, but he did not complain or rush her. After an hour of careful work, Maya replaced the propeller, repaired the wiring, and fitted a new lens. When she switched the drone on, its lights blinked in a steady pattern. It hovered smoothly above the table. The man let out a long breath. "You have no idea how important this is," he said. "We are tracking illegal dumping along the coastline. Without this drone, we would have no proof." Maya felt a warm sense of pride. "Well, now you do." He closed the case and handed her a card. "If you ever want to see what we do, call me. We always need people who can fix things." After he left, Maya stood in the quiet shop, thinking about his offer. She had repaired thousands of devices, but this was the first time her work might help protect the environment. The next morning, she picked up the card again. She smiled, took a breath, and dialed the number. It was time for something new. Vocabulary notes. Routine. Noun. Meaning, a regular way of doing things, a fixed pattern of activity. Example, Maya enjoyed the routine. She liked solving problems quietly, one device at a time. Similar words. Schedule. Habit. Pattern. Daily practice. Note. Often used to describe something familiar and predictable. Can be comforting or boring depending on context. Hesitate. Verb. Meaning. To pause before saying or doing something, often because of uncertainty or nervousness. Example. The man hesitated. It had a difficult landing? Similar words. Pause. Delay. Waver. Hold back. Note. Common in spoken English when someone is unsure or reluctant, often signals emotion or doubt. Hover. Verb. Meaning. To stay in one place in the air, often used for drones, helicopters, or insects. Example. It hovered smoothly above the table. Similar words. Float. Stay aloft. Remain airborne. Note. Can also be used metaphorically, e.g., she hovered near the door, to mean staying close without moving far. Proof. Noun. Meaning. Evidence that shows something is true or real. Example. Without this drone, we would have no proof. Similar words. Evidence. Confirmation. Documentation. Support. Note. Often used in legal, scientific, or everyday situations, where facts are needed to support a claim. Protect, verb, meaning to keep something safe from harm or danger. Example, her work might help protect the environment. Similar words, defend, guard, preserve, shield. Note, common in discussions about safety, nature, health, and rights can be physical or abstract. Story written by Copilot, image created by Copilot. To read, see all the story's content in full, please go to www.steveuk.blog. Thank you. CC Music, drifting at 432 Hz, Unicorn Heads.